Habit one says brush your teeth twice a day, every day. Habit one says brush your teeth and cavities goodbye. Habit two says take a bath, clean yourself in every part. Habit two says take a bath and comb your hair. Habit three says wash your hands, clean your nails and trim them too. Habit three says wash your hands, you're germs free now.